Hi, I'm Alessandro Basile and I am an area sales manager at Syntegon. Are you experiencing a lack of maintenance resources during high season maintenance? Do you miss the knowledge to perform a proper and deeper maintenance of your Syntegon line? Would you like to plan your maintenance budget in advance and without surprises? Then a service agreement might be perfect for you. Our comprehensive service agreements are designed to secure your production and lay the foundation for smoothly running equipment right from the start. Service agreements are a bundle of different services, which are combined together to provide you with a tailored solution, increasing the lifespan and improving the performance and reliability of your equipment. Together, we can minimize production risks, increase planability, and simplify complex processes, all at a fixed price. We will develop and deploy with you the optimal maintenance strategy for your production needs. We offer a total of 7 levels. The scope of services covered increases with each level, enabling you to focus on your core business. With Level 1, our Syntegon technicians will carry out scheduled inspections, giving you the benefit of our expert advice. In Level 2, you can secure Syntegon expert resources, as scheduled maintenance is also included. Level 3 comes along with additional predefined parts, which we can define together. Level 4 offers complete cost predictability for preventive maintenance, including of all parts and labor needed for preventive maintenance. Level 5 gives you additional peace of mind, as not only preventive but also corrective maintenance is included. Level 6 comes with an equipment performance guarantee. And finally, at Level 7, we jointly discuss a tailored approach and guaranteed production output. Each level can be supplemented by customized add-on services. Fewer downtimes, less troubleshooting, all in predefined packages with a fixed price. We recommend that you combine the purchase of your new equipment with a service agreement, so that together we can unlock the full potential of your Syntegon machine right from the start. Not sure which level fits your needs best? Don't worry, we will help you select the right one. To learn more about the service agreements in person, get in contact with us.